Unfortunately, we sold the Challenger. The Pink Panther 1973 Challenger is going to a new home. I was excited to do this project, but winter's coming up. I gotta have a little bit more focus. So I picked up my winter car, which is this all-wheel drive Charger over here with the Hemi. And then I picked up this for the parts car. So I'm holding on to these two. And yeah, we're saying goodbye to the Challenger. It's not a Cuda. The Cuda was my dream car, so I'm not too sad to see this one leave. I was excited to do the metal work and pass it down the line to somebody, but yeah, it's going to somebody new. They're coming to pick it up tomorrow, and all the parts, we got everything ready. Super cool car. He's gonna leave it pink from what he was saying, so I think he should. I love this pink. And these will be on the channel next. This one here is getting a full wide body kit. And who knows what we'll do with this one here. Definitely going to keep the drivetrain and everything for spare parts for that one. But down the road, we could always do a body swap with like a Dodge Charger from 68, 70 or something like that. Harley, during the winter, we're going to be doing a frame swap on it. And see how that goes. That'll take a little bit of time. Got the new fairing on. The new seat. This is a 2000 Road Glide Screaming Eagle CVO, and it was in a wreck, but I gotta do a frame swap even though this frame is good. So got lots of projects on the go. The Lamborghini Murcielago, we sold the Camaro that we just had that we were gonna put this onto, but that was able, once I sold that one, the Camaro, I was able to fund picking up the new winter car and the wide-body kit for this guy. So just kind of moving some cars around, shuffling them around, trying to make some money and get some projects done and out of here. Girlfriend's CBR 600. Pretty rad little bike, man. These things are fast. And then my dad's Ferrari 355 Spider. This one I've been building for about 20 years. And everybody on the channel probably knows if they're an OG subscriber. So this is going to be going into the garage next. We're probably going to do the wide body and paint that. That way it's all done for winter and I don't have to worry about it. And then we can focus on this one here and getting this painted, the lights mounted, everything running, driving, interior in it. So that's what's going to come down the line next. So say goodbye to the Challenger, say hello to the Chargers, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.